So just a couple of different plan specifics. Issue ages on the plans. The primary does need to be between the ages of 18 up to 75. Spouse can be 16 to 75, and then children we do from 0 to age 26. Now, we do not offer child alone plans on these. Again, that primary insured would need to be 18 years of age or older. And the rate is the same for all issue ages. They are unisex rates and unismoke rates, as we like to call them as well. So guarantee issue for all ages. So of course that means no health questions, no height and weight requirements, and these policies are guaranteed renewable with a free look period included as well. So as I mentioned, these plans are available standalone, meaning your clients can purchase this coverage regardless of their current health insurance situation. And also, plan benefits are paid regardless of any other coverage. There is no coordination of benefits with any other type of medical or what other type of base plan they might have. Now, the plan benefits are stackable or buildable, as we say. This means that the listed plan benefits will be paid for each covered benefit trigger that is experienced by your client. And what's really, really nice about these is your clients can use any provider that they wish. They simply file the claim after the service has been rendered. And your client is paid that same amount for covered benefits no matter what provider they do choose to see. Plus, there's no deductible to meet prior to your client receiving any sort of benefit payout. So if your clients have a major medical plan that they might need to stay within certain networks or see certain providers to get the most of their coverage out of their plan, this is able to be used anywhere with any provider. Now, the earliest effective date for the plans is the next day after the application is received. And we do allow your clients to choose an effective date as far out as 90 days. And of course, also accident-wise also includes a free look period as well. Now, clients do have the ability to pay monthly by bank draft or credit card. Payment will not be processed until the plan has been issued or on the effective date, whichever is later. And the monthly premium is also the same, regardless of age, gender, or tobacco use. Again, it is a per person or unisex rate. So our accident-wise plans do pay a fixed benefit for covered services, regardless of what the actual medical expense is. Accident-wise benefit limits do reset each policy year. And we define a policy year as each consecutive 12-month period, beginning with that covered person's effective date. So if they start July 1, their policy year is July 1 each year. So for benefit and pricing flexibility, we do offer 3 different accident-wise plans. Our marketing department got really creative and called them Plan 10,000, Plan 15,000, and Plan 20,000. So that Plan 10,000 is going to have the lowest price point. Accident-wise, of course, is going to fall on our mid-range, and then that Plan 20,000, that's going to be the most benefit-rich plan, which then, of course, would have the highest premium. So let's take a little bit closer look at the benefits. The benefits that I'm going to show you here are identical to what is displayed in the product brochure on our website. So I would certainly make sure you're looking at that brochure for more information, on different state variations as well as limitations and exclusions. So for hospital admission, as long as that hospital admission is related to an accidental injury and begins within 30 days of the injury, this benefit comes into play. For emergency room treatment is covered as long as that ER visit is related to the accidental injury and is within 72 hours of the injury. We offer urgent care treatment as long as the visit is within 72 hours as well. And then your major diagnostic exams, such as your CT scans, MRIs, EEG, whether it's done in a hospital or an urgent care center, as long as that exam again is related to the accidental injury and done within 30 days of the injury. And then there's a benefit for follow-up treatment or follow-up PT, again, as long as that is done within 30 days of the injury. And this plan also provides an outpatient surgical benefit. Again, as long as that surgery is related to the accidental injury and done within 30 days of the onset of that injury. And then lastly, there's also a benefit for accidental loss of life, limb, or sight. So as long as the loss that the client experiences was due to that accidental injury and occurred within 90 days of the covered injury, then this benefit would come into play as well. So quite a variety of things on here. You can see the different price points on here for the plan, each of the different plans, ranging anywhere from just above $15 a month to just over $44 a month. So why do we recommend Accident Wise? We had the session yesterday on why sell ancillary. We talked specifically on why Accident Wise. This is really just a way to help your clients prepare for the unexpected, which is going to help provide a lump sum payment for those qualified expenses, really just to assist when and where they may need it. Now, we also know in order to lower premiums, a lot of clients are choosing higher deductibles on their primary health insurance plans. Um, this is a reason why people are buying these different ancillary products. So we know that going with that higher deductible, of course, can often lower their premium, but it's also going to increase their financial risk in the event of an accidental injury occurring.